It wasn't that bad, so it's okay. Struggle from the smoke. Please support her, guys.
Yeah.
She's very sweet. You like my hair?
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I'm so excited today.
Hello, guys.
You look nice.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Yeah.
My name is Joy, and I am from Joyce's Diary. Welcome to Nice Mom.
Nice Mom.
She's my friend.
Yeah.
My second friend in Nyabohanze.
Who was your first friend?
Congrats, Mom.
Yeah. And you are so lucky that you have moms as your friend.
As my friend. Oh my God.
So I think just that we did another video with her.
We did a video, yeah.
But then, okay, guys, I'm very sorry. There was that background noise, so this is why maybe I've just come here to say hi. But then I think we are going to make another video.
Yeah.
So I just want to comment about your hair.
You like my hair? So guys,
Who did this?
I have a new hairstyle. My hair was
In
done
the
by
village.
in the village by a beautiful young girl. I forgot her name.
Have you done
Please
this one
forgive
before?
me, baby. Eh?
Have you done this one before?
Yes, I've done it before.
Aki, you look so nice.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Yes.
So I think we'll be making another video with her because she's still, you're still around.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I think you can just have a good evening.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Let them subscribe to your channel.
Yeah. So guys, I'm from Joyce's Diary.
Yeah.
JOYSIS.
Yeah.
And Diary. So go and check me out. Support me. And don't forget to support my lovely sister here.
Yeah, oh.
Yes, please support her, guys.
Yeah.
She's very sweet.
Uh.
And she's doing her best
Okay,
to
thank
change
you.
her situation, So
Thank
please
you
support
so
her.
much.
Like her video, watch
Yeah.
it all the way to the end because she needs to get her
Watching
watch
our-
hours and her subscribers count.
Okay.
Yeah, to be monetized. So watch the video all the way to the end. Like the video. When you like it, when you like her videos, YouTube will, promote this for her. So also, share it with your friends.
Okay,
Subscribe as well. Yes.
Thank you so much for the advice to my videos. Thank you so much, Joyce.
Yeah.
So I think you're still around in our village.
Yes.
I'll be seeing you and showing you amazing things. In fact, there's something that you've not done.
What is it?
I've not seen you cooking ugali.
Oh, I made ugali on
Ugali
somebody
where?
else's channel. They taught me how to cook ugali, and I cook it really well. People like it.
Which ugali? You use the white whatever?
The white
White
ugali,
maize,
yeah,
the
the
white
white
ugali?
maize, yes, and then we cook sukuma wiki,
In whose channel?
Moita Junior.
Oh, I've not checked that. And
Moita?
what about, there's another ugali that we make.
The brown ugali.
Yeah, the brown. You did that?
No, I haven't done that. You want to show me how to do it?
Yeah.
We can make a video on your channel
It's
doing
okay.
that.
There's no problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But we have to do it soon.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
we can plan a date, maybe day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
We do that.
We do that.
You want us to go to your house or?
In fact, my house, because we have a nice place whereby we can use them.
Yeah, no problem.
You used firewood to cook the ugali?
Well, I've struggled from the smoke. No, it's true. I struggle from the smoke, but I don't mind. I will try.
You can try.
Yes.
But then I don't want something that maybe will make you
No, I will use
uncomfortable.
mask.
You will use mask.
Yeah.
Then it is okay. So we are, at least people want to see exactly
Yeah.
what is done in the village. So when you're going to use maybe gas or electricity, then maybe it won't come out.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. So
Yes.
I think when you use that one, if at all you have an option of maybe putting the mask, then I think it will be a
Yes,
good
that's
idea.
what we would do.
It's okay.
Because
Thank
I
you.
did a video
Yeah.
and we were using wood to cook, and
Okay.
I really struggled to breathe.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's
sorry,
okay.
Sorry.
It wasn't that bad, so it's okay.
But I think you're learning.
Yes, I'm learning.
Yeah,
I'm
it is
learning.
good maybe
and I
to-
love it.
You love
Guys,
it?
I love it here. I'm happy here. Yeah.
Thank you
So
so
all
much.
these people are very kind, loving, nice people. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Joyce. First, your name, I used to struggle. Joy, okay,
Yeah.
before.
My name is Joy, but my channel name is Joyce's.
Joyces. So I used
Diary.
to struggle saying Joyces.
No,
But then
it's,
when I
you know,
got it, it is on a Joyces.
Yeah, so
Diary.
sis is like sister.
Ah.
Yeah. But I try to be creative because I wanted to put, I wanted my channel to be named JOY_S.
Okay.
Joyce's
But then-
Diary.
yeah.
But other people name took that name.
That name.
Yeah.
And then I think that
So I had to be
apostrophe
creative.
maybe can bring some confusion. So at least it is
Yeah.
joysis.
Yeah. So I was just creative, guys.
Okay.
It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
It's just me being creative.
I like that. Okay, thank you so much,
Okay,
Joyce.
no
Okay, have
problem.
a good evening.
Okay.
So bye, subscribers.
Yeah. Another
Bye.
video is coming up, guys, on her channel.
Yeah, it is coming up.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Thank you.